Hey, this is Brett, Key Realty. I'm in another place where they just moved out. And as you can see, there's not a lot to do here. We're gonna do a little cleaning, get it back into shape. We do have to repair a floor, but that's it. They were here for a little bit, about a year actually. So all the blinds are fine, plug the switches, all the appliances is clean. Just a light touch up, and we'll be back on the market. We put on the floor, we put protection on there, it just needs clean. And as you can see, this is a really nice place, but this is where our apartments are. That's what Lori does with Avalon Group and Key Realty Property Management. We find the right tenants. It's not gonna tear your place up. We don't have to repaint or anything, no flooring. So give me a call. I'm Brett, I'm with Key Realty. We know how to do rental real estate. It's not that hard, but you have to, we have a template we use and it works every time. This particular duplex is a little bit over, I think, 4,000 square feet, and it's a huge one, but this is Lyndhurst, Ohio. I'm Brett, I'm with Key Realty, 216-703-5740. Better properties, exceptional results, and check out my websites below. Thanks.